Okay, so we've got our scene here. We want to start adding some textures and other bits. Before we do that, it's a good idea to save it. And Aspirant Creator has a great little function here, which is save scene uh, increment name. So you can see at the moment it's called 134 project 201, and if we hit that button, so there with a little plus, you can see it's saved it 134 underscore project 202. So if we come into our folder, let's see, it hasn't updated. We'll just go up one level, digital design, and you can see now we've got the old one and this one, and so that goes through and creates a series of files. So if something goes wrong, or should I say when something goes wrong, you can go back to the last time you saved. So highly recommend doing that probably every half an hour or so. So you only lose half an hour's amount of work rather than 2 weeks work. Let's see. So now we want to add an animation. So if we just click on here, we want to do something to the top. So I want to make it so when I click on it, it moves up. So normally we're in properties here. So if we hit animations, we can hit add. And there's a whole lot, and again just trial and error and having a play. So we want an object transformation, we want to move it, and so you could scale it or rotate it. There's a lot of things you can do, which is quite cool. So we've got move, we've added move. Activate immediate, we don't want it, we want it to be user picked, so when we click on it it'll move. So when we go user picked, delay start, no, not really. Action stop it ends, yeah. Animation time, that's how long it moves. Here we don't want to, we want to move it up, so we want to move it vertically. So Z, we don't want, I want it to move up in the Z, so we move that, and if we just make the Z 5 units, and again we'll just check and see how that goes, and we probably want it, in this case, the object, but just trial and error and have a play. That seems all fine. So now if we hit play, and if we click on that, you can see it's moving up. So it just moves up a little bit, so we can have a look around. Oh, walk around here, and there. And so if we click on it, it'll just come back up. If we want, so we just hit stop. We got a few actions under activate user pick. So you've got a whole lot of these: pick, reverse, move up, pick, reset, move up. So we'll try pick, reverse, repick. See what that does. Who knows? We'll just have a play. So if we hit play and then click that, and then we click it again, it moves back down. So we've got a little button that moves up. We've got a lot of options of animations, so I've just shown you one to do that. So that's a very basic example for this project. In the next video I'll show you about some of the pieces to look out for and how to control the memory usage and things like that.